Hi, everybody. It's Jeff Cohn from SI Restoration. Today, I want to talk about pet odor removal and how to do it and how to be successful at it. There is a solution, permanent solution. So, the now you have. Let's assume that you have a pet odor issue. Your housekeeping staff has walked out and said, "Listen, I can't be in this room. It's that bad," and you've all had that experience. So, what happens is the gut reaction is to clean the carpet, which I understand. The problem that you most likely will find out after you clean the carpet is the odor is still there even after a couple days of it drying. So the question is why? Well, we all have to imagine we don't know where the dog has urinated unless you have a black ultraviolet light and turn off the light and search. Even if you do, you still have the problem. So you have to make the assumption that it's probably everywhere. And if it's that bad of an odor, it probably is. So the first thing, if we were coming in to take a look at it to solve the issue, is I can pretty much tell you that that cat urine or the dog urine has gotten underneath the carpet and into the concrete. So the best thing to do before we replace the carpet, and you have a choice, is the option. This is step number one, is to actually lift the carpet up, clean both sides of the carpet, then go in and disinfect and clean the concrete. Okay, and then go ahead and seal the concrete. You want to seal it with a shellac, some type of coating that will seal the concrete. Doesn't have to be expensive, but you want to make it a really good coating, especially in the corners and edges. After you've done that, you can clean the carpet, both sides, and see what happens. Um, Depending on the situation, it's probably better to just go ahead and replace the carpet. Now, let's assume you did that, all those steps, and then you go ahead and you put new carpet down, and you come back in the room 2 days later, or you put a new guest in, and the guest says, "Look, it still stinks in here." The question is, how? Well, the thing about it, like we had said, is we don't know where the exactly where they urinated, 100%. Even though you may see certain spots, it's still there. It could be in secret areas. So basically, what happens is at that point, a black ultraviolet light by a restoration company would come in and look at the walls. Cats, especially, spray when they urinate, and their urine is actually more pungent because dogs actually drink more water than cats. So dogs' urine is a lot less acidic as cat urine, and therefore cat urine is not only more acidic, it's also more odor. So more odor. Sorry about that. And what happens is that at that point, the only way to solve is to permanently solve it is to remove the drywall. And I know you guys have wallpaper on your walls a lot of times, so that's a big pain. But unfortunately, that's the way it goes. So basically, you're going to have to cut out all the drywall wherever the urine has shown up, and then basically disinfect and clean the back of those areas, especially if there's insulation inside. So once you do that, pretty much with all those steps, you have solved the problem. Now, some of you may say, "Well, gee, that's a lot to ask for," and the answer is, and unfortunately, you have to go through that. You can take steps if you want to save money, but to just get it done so you can get that hotel back into revenue status and get it making money again, that's what I would suggest that you do. So, if you have questions, please give me a call or contact me on LinkedIn. Again, my name is Jeff Cohn from SI Restoration. Emergency water damage cleanup, mold remediation, asbestos abatement, and the construction repair to bring you back to whole. Thank you.